Hi guys, today I'm going to do an experiment, and the experiment name is underwater volcano. Oh my god, near the ocean, is there a volcano exploding right now? Oh, this sounds scary, man. And ingredients needed for this experiment are 20 ml of oil, 10 ml of water which I already measured in the test tube, a funnel, the steering stick, and red food coloring. I always like the part where pouring food color, and not to forget, we also need the scoop. Very important. Do not touch water, and also we will be needing baking soda and citric acid. I always know this is related to carbon dioxide. Whenever we do an experiment with baking soda, it definitely means carbon dioxide. And when we are adding vinegar and citric acid to it, definitely carbon dioxide experiment. So let's get started. We must measure 10 ml of water, which I already measured in my test tube, and then we must take red food coloring. Always like this part, and we must add the food color. 2 drops of it. Ooh, spicy, nice. And you must take the stirring stick and remove the water of it and mix it. Oh, it's kind of like blood. Oof. Now we must add one half scoop of baking soda or 1/2 scoop of baking soda, kind of adding fractions into this. And always careful with the baking soda on the spoon, it may spill a lot. Oh yeah, this is enough, definitely enough. Now this is where the funnel comes in. Put the funnel over here, pour the baking soda on, shake it. Done. Now we must measure 20 ml vegetable oil, which is really valuable resource, and I'm just adding. Whoa, like it is looking really cool, like the red color particles are dropping off. Now we must take half scoop or 1/2 scoop of citric acid. Oh my god, this falls more frequently than baking soda, especially when it is rocks. Whoa, that's enough. Now we must, as previously shown, put the funnel on. Oh, the magic is going to happen now. Let me even use a stirring stick for this. Pour it like this better. Now oh, it is really becoming an underwater volcano in here. It's really hard to shake this citric acid, especially it is rocks. Whoa, 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 something's happening. It is looking like that charu we do. Oh, do not want. Let me just throw it down. Go win. Man, this is gonna take a while. This is an underwater volcano. That's it. This is part is stuck. I'm gonna keep this. Whatever. But this is our underwater volcano. Let me just shake it. And I have to give you the warning again. Whenever doing an experiment with explosive science, yes, be cautious and do not close the lid. What is forming over here? Go inside. See this? The bubbles are going up, the upper bubbles are going down, like they're both dissolving. Let me just shake this a bit. Yes. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, it's really oily. Ew, it's oily. So the underwater volcano was really a success, but that's all for today. And I know you all guys are liking this experiment videos like nuts. I mean, like within 2 days I got some like 20, 30, 15, I don't know, that much amount of viewers for my experiment videos. I know you like them, so I made an experiment right today, and this experiment was really fun. Like, see, wait for a second. This foam type of thing over the layer is really fun. It is totally settling down. I'm gonna wait for an hour and see how it looks. But this experiment really fun, and I like making videos for you all guys, especially when I get fun in them. I'm getting fun, you are getting fun. If you want, you could also do the experiment with me. Why not? So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Share, like, subscribe and share my video if you like it. And well, that's all for today. Bye bye.